Scarves are making a huge comeback. Runways, street style, everywhere. However, I feel that while they can instantly elevate an outfit, scarves can occasionally look a little bit frumpy or even outdated. And in my opinion, it has to do a lot with styling. When scarves are styled in very casual, relaxed ways, that actually gives that effortlessly chic French style vibe in a modern way. And I really think that the charm of the scarf is exactly that, when you just throw it on without overthinking or overdoing it. So today I want to share with you some easy, even lazy, but stylish ways to tie your scarf. So first of all, just throw it on. Create a triangle and throw it over your shoulders. It works really very well with outerwear pieces, or it can also create an interest to a classic button-down shirt. Easy peasy, but looks really sophisticated and nice. In case it's windy or you want to secure it a little bit, you can tie a simple low knot. You can also adjust the position of the scarf, make it sit quite straight on the shoulders or a little bit gathered on the side for a slightly different vibe. So the third way is mid-high knot. So I just gathered my scarf a little bit, but keep it quite loose and tie a simple knot. I slightly pull one end to create visible knots and to kind of fix this position of the scarf. And you can wear it with your ties straight down, or you can twist it on the side and make it a little bit looser, whatever you prefer. And the next way, I bet you can guess. Yes, a high knot. So I bring the scarf close to my neck and tie a simple knot. You guys, that's it. Seriously, this is the laziest styling episode I ever did. But the true beauty hides in simplicity, once Giedre said. Now, it's possible to wear both ends hanging out, or if it's a little bit too much, you can always hide one tail by just tucking it inside. The next one is a little bit more interesting, it's a little bit more complicated, but truly it's very, very simple. You just have to twist your scarf several times. Twist all the way and tie it on one side. Make a double knot if the fabric is very slippery. I like this tying method with smaller scarves as well because it gives slightly different effect. Now, the next ones will require you to have a simple ring. Very delicate and dainty ring, or the one with a little bit bigger stone or more intricate design. And it's really very simple. You just need to bring the tails of the scarf through the loop, through the ring actually. That's it. You can adjust to make it sit a little bit lower or higher, whatever you prefer. Now, this time, let's bring the ring a little bit closer to the neck. Take both ends and twist them inside. Once, twice, or even more times. It creates this beautiful, neat, effortlessly elegant effect. Now, this is the last trick with the ring, but this time we're gonna use adjustable ring. So it has this gap on the side and will allow a little bit of the fabric to travel through it. So again, we are just looping through those tails through the ring. And if it's a little bit too wide, you can pull one tie once again through the ring to secure it. As you can tell, it creates beautiful asymmetric outer line of the scarf, and I would say it's just a little bit more elegant effect as one side is loose, and I think that it would look really very nice on the crewneck jumpers as well. A simple knot in the back. Now let's make our knot travel to the back. First of all, we are making a triangle out of the scarf, knot it in the back and leave the ends hang there. And I actually kind of love this look with the ties in the back because it blends in with the hair and it looks really very creative. Again, you can tie it looser on your neck or a little bit tighter. It creates a slightly different vibe. Now, let's make the scarf a little bit shorter by bringing the tails to the back, crisscrossing there and bringing them back to the front. And here we can leave the tails just hang straight, or we can tie a simple tie on the front, keeping the scarf quite loose, or we can also do the same, just make it quite tight against your neck, so it's more face framing. And for this method, I actually prefer using a smaller scarf because I think it just looks more neat and on point. Now for this one, cross the two tails over twice, keeping it quite close to your neck, and then bring the tails to the back and tie a knot. That's it. As we already trained ourselves, I guess it's time to make our scarf a little bit more neat. So I'm gonna fold it into triangle and fold it once again and once again and once again to fold it into a long scarf, like a tie. And as you can tell, we are quite performing the same, but still the scarf is more tidy and looks more like a tie. It gives out slightly different effect. And for this tying method, I actually like having my knot a little bit lower. And if I want to have a knot a little bit higher, the next is my favorite way. So we are again working with long folded scarf, and this time I'm grabbing both ends and tie both ends at once into one knot. It looks something similar to a tie. And now it's up to you. You can leave both ends peeking out. You can create a tie effect by just spreading the first layer and hiding the other one. Now the last method is quite easy. It might look a little bit complicated, but it's totally not. I'm gonna create a knot on one tail and then loop another one through that loop. You can adjust the height as you prefer. It's really very simple way to tie your scarf. It's very simple and looks very sophisticated. Okay, so we are close to an end, but I'm thinking what we haven't tried yet. And I guess that we haven't tried tying a knot on each of the tails. Yes, that is doable and possible, and this is how I do. I just prefer this styling with a slightly thinner and a bit longer scarf. That's a wrap on these easy, stylish ways to tie a scarf. Scarves are really such a simple way to add personality to an outfit, and now I really hope that you have a few effortless ways to wear them without overthinking it. Let me know which scarf tying trick was your favorite, or do you have a go-to way you love? Drop a comment below, I would love to hear. And if you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new styling episode. Thank you so much for watching. Keep shining, stay classy, and till the next one. Ciao, ciao!